My name is Jibin Jolly. I'm the product manager for automation and drives in IMO. Today we will go through a demonstration of safe torque off in SD1, one of our general purpose inverter. Here you can see one SD1 inverter is connected to a motor through contactor and emergency push button. In the first part we will see how the drive can be stopped in an emergency condition through a contactor, which is generally used. So first we will enable the run, and you will be able to see the motor is rotating at this moment in time, and the frequency of the drive is going from 0 to 50 Hz. And when there is an emergency condition, the operator normally presses the emergency push button. At this moment in time, we are breaking the continuity between the output circuit of the inverter to the motor through contactor. So the emergency push button is actually taking off the connection between the output of the drive and the motor. But the problem with this is we have an extra component in terms of contactor, relay and other wiring involved, which we can avoid by using a STO circuit, which we will show in the next part. Also, the other problem with this one is the output of the inverter is still connected to the contactor, and if someone actually takes the emergency push button, the motor continues to run at 50 Hz. So in the second part, we will have the same system, but instead of going through the contactor circuit, we will have the emergency push button directly wired onto the STO terminals in the SD1 drive. So we will see how it works. So you do have the run button as normal. That starts the motor. And as the emergency push button is connected directly to the STO circuit, we do not have any other components, which will save you cost as well as space in the panel. Now we press the emergency push button and it will show a trip message saying STO. So even if you open the emergency push button, it will still not be able to run. It is still in STO mode, but you have to press the reset button for the drive to be normal, and you have to press the run button again. This will make the system safe for the operator performance of the system. The other thing which I would like to say is when you press the push button, in this moment there will not be any torque in the motor output. The motor will freewheel to stop. And that is a brief explanation of the STO circuit in the inverter drive for the SD1, HD2 and HD2 IP all have the same safe torque off functionality. Thank you, and we will meet again for the next videos.